me wipe that off your nose. Haha, you ain't got nothing on your nose. That just made you look stupid on camera, nigga. Looking at.
Smile, Jay.
I don't want to see a pizza for a year, fool.
So you one of them, huh, Jed?
I can't see pizzas no more, fool.
Jed's birthday. Hey, Gran. Hey, Gran. Wow.
I can't. Pizza smell bad to me now.
Look at Al. Al got abs and shit. Look at Al.
Joseph, smile.
Yanni.
Wait, okay, now smile.
Why Yanni always look like that? Concerned and shit.
Is there some hot sauce?
Yeah, that. Duh.
I actually eat it though.
That's big on.
So what is Jay gonna accomplish this year?
Hey, my camera's about to die.
Always got the backup.
Eatty situation, why?
Don't get on too many dangerous rides.
Alright, Mom. See you later. Love you, Mom. Damn.
Yeah, there's some water in that.
What the liquor?
Man, you know it's my birthday. We finna motherfucking hop on a ride. Cause we always riding my nigga, my team. Shout out to class too.
Sube.
The fuck you just say?
Sube, nigga. Turn up. In Espanol.
Why the fuck do busted ass Michelle get to ride in the front?
Cause no one called.
So we about to listen to Erica Badu the whole way there.
That niggas need to die slow.
Fake niggas.
6FLAGS for you pussy motherfuckers. Listen to that Trader True. So I want to leave my money in there.
You trying to my back is sweating.
Yeah. It's kind of nice though. I always like my curvage to lose weight on there.
So that's gonna help. Well, I'm glad I wore black.
What happened? Klaus, what happened?
I just got stung and I had to sing
She
in
just got fucking stung. She just got fucking stung.
Just got stung. Oh my god.
She just got fucking stung. She just got fucking stung.
I just got stung by me.
Y'all about to go on? How y'all feel?
Oh yeah!
My nigga, I don't give a nothing about nothing.
How you laughing at me, Jake?
Hey, we about to go on, fam. Shit was crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is my